Your Valentine Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I will show you how you can do and where to find this viral add your sticker, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to go to your Instagram app, click on the search icon and search for Ali and John YTT. Then from here, you will have to go to February, add yours at highlights. If the highlights are not loading, don't worry because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Here we have our sticker. Now you just have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I also have a tutorial in the description box below. So make sure to click on that if you have some problems with Instagram. Now you just have to go to your uploads and choose a photo with your Valentine. I will go with this photo, and now you just have to share the story with your friends. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and turn on the notification bell because I will post some more videos like this one soon. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.